Hello and welcome to another CARSTAR video. Today we will be showing you how to remove a Renault Scenic j84 front wiper motor. This is surprisingly very easy to do, and without further delay, let's get into our main tutorial. We start our process by removing these T20 Torx on either side of the cowl trim. There'll be one all the way on the left and one all the way on the right, so two screws. Once those are out, there's these 10mm socket plastic nuts. There's about 6 of these, which I've already removed, as you can see. And there's about 6 of these on the front of the trim. After you've removed those, it just comes to taking off one piece of the cowl, because it's in 2 pieces. We remove this piece, just like so. There'll be caps on the wiper arms, on the nuts of the wiper arms. Once you remove those, there's 16mm nuts there, which are easily removed with a gun. And once you remove those, to remove the wiper arms, sometimes they might get stuck, but all it is just to wriggle it out. You might need to use some lubricant or a special tool, but my one just came out very easily, and you do the same with the other one as well. Now you can remove the rest of the cowl trim, and then we have access to our wiper motor with the linkages. We get a 10mm socket and we disconnect the linkages from the vehicle. There's 3 of these. And finally we can remove the plug that's attached to the wiper motor, as you can see. If you're doing this to replace the wiper motor, just in case you don't have the linkages, this is how you separate the motor from the linkages. 13mm socket to remove that one. And then you'll need to put something in between that middle piece and the wiper motor and lift it out just like so. And what's remaining is 3 10mm bolts there. And once you take those 3 off, the wiper motor will be detached from the linkages. And that's pretty much how you would remove a wiper motor from a Renault Scenic. And that's our wiper motor, as you can see. As always, we hope you found the video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.